In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a Bitbucket repository. Whether you're a developer new to using Bitbucket or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily work on your projects from your local machine. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to your Bitbucket account. Once you're logged in, locate the repository you want to clone. This is typically the project you'll be working on or contributing to. Starting at the top of your screen, you'll see a variety of tabs and options to navigate through. Look for the Branches tab, which you'll find in the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on it. The Branches tab is essential because it gives you an overview of all the existing branches in your repository. Once you're on the Branches page, you're going to need to create a new branch. To do this, you'll find the Create Branch button, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this button will prompt a dialog box to appear. In this dialog box, you'll see a field labeled Source Branch. This is where you'll choose the branch you want to base your new branch from. Often, this will be the main or master branch, which acts as the central hub for the project's most stable version. Next, it's time to give your new branch a name. Enter a descriptive branch name. A clear and descriptive branch name is important, as it helps your team understand the purpose of the branch at a glance. Consider incorporating details like the feature you're working on or the bug you're fixing. If you'd like, you can also add a description. While this is optional, filling it in provides further clarity and context about the branch's purpose. Certainly a helpful practice in collaborative projects. After you've set your source branch and customized your branch name and optionally added a description, your setup is ready to go. To finalize and create your branch, simply click the Create button. This action will initiate the creation of your new branch in the repository. You've successfully set the stage for your project work by creating a new branch, allowing you access to the latest code and the ability to develop features or fix issues. These steps ensure that you are able to efficiently manage your repository's branches and maintain the integrity of your project's codebase. We trust these instructions have made this process straightforward and easy to understand. By following along, you now have a solid foothold in handling branches within Bitbucket, ultimately enhancing your coding workflow and team collaboration. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!